So again, using our geometric sequences, or our GS, a lot of the variables are the same as we had with the arithmetic sequence. A is still going to be your first term, N is still going to be your t number, or your term number, t is still going to be the value, and r here is going to be your common ratio. So this is what you times by. So if they want us to write out a sequence, and they give us the first term, a is equal to 5. If my r value is 2, that means I need to times by 2 each time. So 5 times 2 is going to get me to 10. 10 times 2 is going to get me to 20. 20 times 2 will get me to 40. Likewise here, I've got a negative number for r. That's okay. My first value is going to be 18. Then if I times by negative 5, so if I times by a negative number, I'm going to get a negative number. So my next answer is negative 90. Now negative 90 times a negative 5 is going to get you to a positive, because a negative times a negative will be positive. So watch out for this with the negative r value. That means that the signs are going to alternate as you go. And 450 times negative 5 is going to get you negative 2250. So again, as you're timesing by that negative number, the signs will alternate positive, negative, positive, negative. And away you'll go. That's a 0 if you're confused. So, not too bad. Just think about what's going on there. If you have a decimal, that's alright. Just times it by 0.5. If you have a fraction, well, think about turning that into a decimal. 1 1/4, that's just 1.25. That's easy to write into a calculator. And if you weren't sure, always with your fractions, you can go 1/4, figure out what that is as a decimal, and then add the one whole number that you've got onto it if you want. And again, as a decimal.